Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Turn off the Xiaomi 13 by pressing the power key plus volume up simultaneously. Hold down the power button and volume up simultaneously. Release only the power button when the Xiaomi logo appears, but continue holding the volume up button until recovery mode activates. In the recovery mode menu, navigate using the volume rocker and select wipe data, then press the power key to accept. Choose Wipe All Data Operation. Confirm the operation by selecting the Confirm tab. Wait for the process to complete. Then use the Back to Main menu option. Go to the Reboot section and select Reboot System. Once the reset is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. Your Xiaomi 13 will be completely reset to its factory settings. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.